Yes, good morning, everyone. Yes, read Chakraborty.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start the prayer.
Join your hands, close your eyes. Oh God, help us to be good, to do to others as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above. Amen. I'm completed.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Priyam. Okay, everyone, open your English language book. Language book, chapter number 11. Language book, chapter 11.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Priyam.
বলছি রোজ তো সবাই করে আমি কিন্তু কোনোদিন করি না তো
তুমি কোনোদিন করো না তো? আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, করবে। করবে, টিউসডে করবে। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে
Okay, everyone, open your English language book. English language A, An, and D. A, N, and B. Article. Okay. Everyone open your book. Language book. English language. Okay. English language chapter number 11. A, An, and D. These are called articles. These are called articles. Okay. So where we use A, where we use an, and where we will use the. Yes, Anindra Abhinava. Tell me. I can't hear your voice. Can't hear your voice. Any problem? Any problem? Hey, Priyam, drop your hands. Priyam, drop your hand. Okay. So A and D, these are called articles. Where we will use A and where we will use an and where we will use the. Okay. So you have to use A at the time of the consonant, beginning word of the consonant. Okay. And where we will use an at the word starts with a vowel, there we will use an. Okay, so you know the letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and the rest of the letters of the alphabet are called consonants. You know that the letter A, E, I, O, U, these are called vowels, and the rest of the letters of the alphabet are called consonants. So we use A. Words begin with a consonant sound. Begins with a consonant sound. A pen, a drum, a princess. Okay, example dilam. Example, a pen, a drum, and a princess. And if the comes before a word starting with a vowel, it is pronounced as the rhymes with C. The ant, the owl. When the first letter of a word is silent and the second letter produces as a vowel sound, then we use an before it. So we will use an before the sound A, E, I, O, U. The starts with the sound A, E, I, O, U. We use an. Okay, but when when the word sound, when the word beginning with a consonant, but it sounds like a vowel, we use an hour. It it begins H, but it sounds hour. H is silent. Hour. Read Chakraborty. Don't talk. Don't talk. Read Chakraborty. Very irritating. At the time of the class, don't talk with anyone. And parents are requested to not to come there, because you are you are in class 3, standard 3. Okay. So when the first letter of a word is silent and the second letter produces a vowel sound, then we use an before it. An hour, an honest man, an hour, an honest man. So here H is silent. Here it sounds like a vowel. Okay, H is silent. An hour, it sounds like a vowel. Hour, hour. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. And honest man. Honest, O, A, E, I, O, U. So it sounds like a vowel. But it begins with a consonant. H. H is consonant. So here we will use an. Here we will use an. This is the difference. Okay. And just turn the page. An egg, an ice cream, an eagle, an ox. The words A, an, and D are called articles. We use articles before nouns to refer to the person or thing being talked about. The words A and D are called articles. We use before nouns and to refer to the person or thing being talked about. We use A or an when we talked about one person or thing. Where we use A? We use A at the singular noun. Okay, singular. Tina bought a new notebook. Charlie is an intelligent student. Okay, so when we talk about any one person, then we use A and an. A ball, any ball, the ball. Okay, and where we use the. Where we use the. You when you will say the person, when you will introduce the person first time, where there we will use A, then we will use the same person, then we will use the, because it define the same person. Okay, definite করে বলছি যে এই পারসনটা সম্বন্ধে বলা হচ্ছে, তখন আমি তাকে কি বলবো? দি। যখন ফার্স্ট ইন্ট্রোডিউস করাবো তখন কি বলবো? এ। We use A at the first time, but we use the when we will describe the same person, then where we will use the. Understood? Like I saw a ball in the field. I saw a ball in the field. The ball was red in color. Okay, so here the ball, any ball, but when we will say that a ball, this is called any ball. This indicates any ball. But when we will use the, this indicates the same ball. That we will we are telling before. Okay, so the same ball. So when we will use the, it will definite person, definite thing, definite person and definite thing. There we will use the. So we use the with both singular and plural nouns. The dog is playing with a rubber bone. The ships are sailing in the sea. Okay, so A and B, we will use A before the consonant, the word starting with a consonant, where we will use A. The word starting with a vowel, there we will use an. And the when we will say the definite person or thing, there we will use the. Okay. So Anindo Abhinabo, unmute yourself. Just check your speaker, check your mic and check your speaker. I can't hear your voice. Anindo Abhinabo. Can't hear your voice. Taifim Hawk, where is Taifim Hawk? Yes. Yes, Taifim.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where we will use the? When we will use the?
Ma'am, what?
When we will use the, A and the, when we will use the? কোথায় এবং কখন আমরা the use করব? Yes, tell me.
We use the when we talk about a particular person or thing.
Okay, okay, very good. আচ্ছা, আরাত,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. When we will use the?
We use when we talk about a particular person or things. We use with the with both singular and plural nouns.
Okay. When we will introduce a person or thing, there what we will use? A or the? A and or the? When we will introduce the person first time?
The.
No, first time, first time. When you will introduce the thing or person in the first time, there we will use, what we will use? A and or the?
A.
A or an. Okay, so we have a cat. You have a cat. Okay, you have a cat. The cat is very cute. So when you will introduce your cat, then that time you will say, I have a cat. আমার একটা cat আছে, কিন্তু যখন তুমি ক্যাটের সম্বন্ধে বলবে, when you will describe the same cat, then you will tell just the cat is white in color, the cat is very cute. But the first time you say that I have a cat, not I have the cat. তুমি কি বলবে যে I have the cat? এটা কি বলবে? বলবে না তো? Yes, yes, yes. That is the difference. Okay. Understood? Arat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Ahornish.
Yes, ma'am.
Where we will use an?
Ma'am, we use an before the word which has the first letter in a vowel sound. I'm
And-
giving an example. I'm giving an example like an egg. There we should put an before egg because the first letter of egg is E and E is the sound of a vowel.
Yes, yes. Okay. And what is the when we will use an, when we will use an, but the sound is consonant, sound beginning with consonant, where we will use an?
Like example, I am giving two examples, an
Yes.
hour and an honest. It is we use an before this word because the pronunciation of our HU or is not like a hour. It is the pronunciation is hour. And
Yes,
O
yes.
is sound of a vowel. That's why we use an before.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Tell me. Okay, just Ahornish, just wait, Ahornish, wait. Okay, everyone take out your book, and do the exercises. Do the exercises A, B, and C. Do exercises in your book or in your copy, whatever you wish. Exercises in your book or in your copy, whatever you wish. Ahornish, tell me. Tell me.
Yesterday you told that you will ask exercises of chapter 10 and 11 to everyone.
Yes. Okay. I will ask. But some, okay. I will ask.
And ma'am, once more that yesterday you also given a okay ma'am, that I will tell you.
Okay.
Ma'am, in your area is it raining cats and dogs?
Yes. No, not now. But the whole night rain is just like cats and dogs. Okay.
Yes ma'am, mine also. It is not raining now. Okay ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Acha, Aratrika. Yes, Aratrika.
Ma'am, what is the difference between the boy and boy?
The boy and a boy. Okay. When you will introduce the boy first time, listen to me carefully. When you will introduce the boy first time, there you will write a boy. But when you will tell about something, that particular boy, there you will use the. Okay. A boy.
Okay, ma'am.
A boy, we just wait. Just I will give a example. Okay. A boy is coming from the west side. Okay, a boy is coming from the west side. Okay, west side of the road. A boy is coming. The boy is wearing a red shirt. Understood, Aratrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, just drop your hands. Acha, Saizad Al Habib. Yes, tell me.
Then we have to write the exercise in copy.
Copy is better. Okay. Because the book is, when you will write in your book, the book is very dirty. Copy is the better option. কপিতেই লেখো, ঠিক আছে?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Adrija Mukherjee.
Ma'am, I want to say you something.
Yes, yes, tell me, tell me. Adrija, tell me.
About A and N.
Yes, yes.
A and N. A is when we use and vowel and vowel. N is written like example and car and ice cream and eagle and egg
Yes.
and orange, etc.
Yes.
And when there is article, there will be written a example like a car,
Yes.
a bag,
Yes.
a pot, etc.
Yes. These words starts with a consonant. That's why you will put a. And these words starts with a vowel. That's why you will put an.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
And
doubt?
the is used in no, ma'am. The is used in anywhere like the orange,
Yes.
the
When,
book,
yes, 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 yes.
etc.
Exactly. Exactly. When you will say the definite person, যখন তুমি নির্দিষ্ট করে বলবে definite person or thing, there you will use the definite person or
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
The-
Yes,
the-
ma'am. I'm saying
yes.
that.
Yes, that's right. The earth, the moon, the sky. Here you will use the, not a and n, because the earth is the one thing. ওকে, পৃথিবী একটাই, পৃথিবী অনেকগুলো নয়, সুতরাং তুমি ডেফিনিট করে কি বলছো? আর্থ, দি আর্থ। Yes, yes, the earth, the sun, the earth, the sun, the moon, the star, the sky, because it is the one thing in the universe. Okay, so definite thing. Yes, understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, very good. আচ্ছা, আরিয়ান মোল্লা। হ্যাঁ, প্রকৃতি দাস। Yes, tell me, প্রকৃতি।
Ma'am, in the natural things we use always the.
Yes, yes, yes. We always use the earth, the moon, the sky. Okay, the star. You always use the.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. আচ্ছা, আদ্রিকা খাড়া। আদ্রিকা, tell me, Adrika.
Oh, ma'am, I have completed A and B. I tell.
Completed. Just wait for a few minutes. Just wait. What is the time now? Okay, 11:31. Okay, tell me. Just wait. Question number A, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tell me the answer.
Question number A1, a hospital. Question
Yes.
number A2, an unicorn. Question number A3, an ice cream cube. A4, a rubber.
Question number 2. What is the word? Question number 2. Onion. It is not onion.
Unicorn. Union.
In my book, it is written in onion. It's unicorn.
Yes, ma'am.
So unicorn. We will use A before the unicorn. Okay. This is the difference. This is the another difference. Okay. When we will pronounce you pronounce, there we will use A. University, unicorn. There we will use A, not an. This is one difference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, C, want to please tell? I don't understand it.
C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fill in the blanks with A or A bird flew up to an apple tree.
Ma'am, again tell. I don't listen.
A bird flew up to an apple tree.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Arad.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A question for A2 is unicorn. Every unicorn is written. Everybody's book.
No, ma'am. It is written as union.
Union. No, onion.
Yes, ma'am.
Onion.
Union. Union. Union.
Union, ma'am.
Union. Okay, I will tell you later. ঠিক আছে? Because that is not written in book. That is a difference. You just like sounds like you. You have to use before A. It sounds like you. Okay. So I will tell you later. This has some confusion. I will tell you later. But union, you have to use A before union.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me just two minutes. I will give your attendance. Just 2 minutes. Achha, everyone just drop your hands. Drop your hands. Drop your hands. Everyone drop your hands. Fast. When I will call your name, then raise your hands. Aratrika, okay, Aratrika present. Obhinabo present. Adil present. Odrija present. Adrika present. Ohornish present. Onindo Hajra present. Ornob Bhuiya absent. Arjo Haldar present. Ornob Bhuiya, okay. Just raise your hand. Okay. Arjo Haldar, yes, present. Obhinandan Jana absent. Chandrima Ghosh, Chandrima absent. Deepayan Haldar, Farin Khatun, Dipayon, Farin, just raise your hands. Dipayon and Farin. Dipayon and Farin. Gaurav, MD Aryan Molla, Meherin Hawk. Okay, Dipayon. Farhin absent. Farin Khatun. আচ্ছা গৌরব, আরিয়ান মোল্লা, মেহেরিন হক, মিনার্ভা আফরিন, প্রকৃতি, প্রস্মিতা, প্রিয়ম, রিত চক্রবর্তী, রিস্কিন, সম্পূর্ণা সামন্ত, সপ্তপর্ণা, শরণ্যা, সিরিন, সাইজাদ, আরাত, সৌমক সিংহ প্রেজেন্ট, সৌমক সিংহ প্রেজেন্ট, সোয়ানিত, Tafim Zenia is present. Okay. Yes, Tafim. Tanveer and Taskin. Okay. Okay, so everyone, bye-bye.